Hello everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today we're going to be looking at a set number 70841 from the LEGO Movie 2, and it was released in 2019. Without further ado, action! So this set comes with 4 minifigures, and the first one is this blue spaceman minifigure called Benny. Now, Benny is holding this little black handheld radio walkie-talkie thing, which is pretty simple, just an extra accessory. And now let's have a look at Benny himself. So he's generally all blue, made to look like one of the classic LEGO spacemen, but a little bit, you know, rough to wear, tough to wear. Something like that. So first of all, he has this classical looking helmet piece with a little notch in the base of the helmet. That is purposely there. It isn't a broken piece. It's purposely made to look broken. And what else can we say over here? Also, the top of the torso, the front of the torso, has the space logo. However, it's a little bit scrubbed out there as well, especially printed that way. But as for the rest of the torso, it's just blue with blue handholds and blue legs as well. Benny over here is the one minifigure who gets an alternate face. So he has this smiley expression over here with the simple eyes and the tongue sticking out of there. And having a look at his other expression, we get to see sort of the same face, but with added eyebrows and a upturned face to make him look a little bit sad. On the back of his torso, however, oh, you can see the smiley face there. On the back of his torso, he has attached this blue little tank. I believe this could be a jetpack or an air tank, and that's just slipped over the neck like this with a plain blueprint at the back as well. Now, our second minifigure in this set is a white version of a spaceman or spacewoman, because this one is called Jenny, and she's holding this sort of simple blaster made out of 2 pieces of green piece and a grey sort of handhold piece. Let's put that aside. And it's like the original spaceman minifigures of long ago, the classical ones. This one, however, is done in white with the space logo fully printed over here on the front. Just simply white arms, white gloves, white legs, white helmet with no brakes or anything, just a simple white helmet with, it has these little indents as well on the sides, possibly to add some visor on later on, a white air tank on the back, and a simple face just like this. Now, minifigure 3 in this set is another spaceman called Kenny, and he's made in a yellow color for his spacesuit. He's holding this metal detector piece as well, just another accessory into this set, and kind of the same as Jenny beforehand with the space logo. However, everything is done in yellow gloves, yellow suit, yellow helmet, yellow face, and a black simple smiley face, and a yellow air tank on the back as well. Now we've had Benny, we've had Jenny, we had Kenny, and now our last minifigure is called Lenny. He is a pink spaceman, which is kind of special, I suppose. He's holding one of these chunky black spanners, which could also be used as a LEGO separator. That's nice and handy. Same space logo. However, the whole getup, including the air tank or jetpack or whatever, legs and all, is pink, which is special. And the backstory, I believe, I don't know if this is true or not, but it seems to me that she was one of the, or he, I don't know, you can give them whatever you like. He or she went as a white spaceman, but had a red spaceman put his washing in the wrong washing machine, and it turned out into a pink spacesuit. Whatever! Now we get a little stand-in character in this set, and that is this little robot over here, this little robot droid thing, and he's just built out of bricks with, what can I say, a sort of video camera piece facing downwards. He's got little yellow and blue cheese slopes over there. I suppose that would be his little lit up face over there, little antenna on top, blue at the back. He has this round jumper plate as well to stand on pretty solidly, and he has these special handhold pieces for his arms as well, which can hold things. Now, some of the pieces in this set go into this little teeny spaceship over here. Spaceship! A little blue and grey little scooter spaceship over here. Done pretty simply, but kind of fits in with our simple little spaceman over here. So first of all, we have this long roof tile at the front with the space logo printed onto that. And we also have these two little bar elements to be little laser shooters maybe, or something like that, or maybe little guide poles. I'm just inventing on the spot over here. We also have this large frame seat piece over here done in blue, and it is specially designed. Let me just grab someone over here. It is specially designed so that one of the minifigures can sit in here and the air tank fits in there as well. Now we also have two little red guide lights on either side of these wedge grey pieces over here. We also have this little antenna stick into the side, and we have the main thruster at the back as well, along with another little red piece over there. And finally, the rest of the pieces in this set go into this little Rover quad sort of exploration thing over here. So it's done mostly in grey, but it does have a little yellow piece at the front over here to be our little headlights. We've got a steering wheel over here, and at the back we have these clips, these bricks with clips sticking out of the side as well. Now it's just got these small wheels and this small little step at the side. Gosh, they managed to put a little bit of detail into such a small build, and it's just held into place with these round tiles underneath here. So it's nothing too great, but what is great is that it can hold two minifigures. So these little base plates over here, these modified tiles, can sit one person over here. And let's just get Jenny over here. She can sit over here to steer. And there we go. We can carry two spaceman, spacewoman on to a space exploration mission. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy space flying building.